Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video answering a question that someone has left me. Ask how many MAP sensors an engine has. Let's see, the vast majority have one, but there are some cars, especially turbogasoline, that its engines have two, especially the VAG group. Look, this is a Volkswagen Golf 1400 C, and as you can see, it is a turbogasoline and it has this MAP sensor at the turbo outlet towards the intake, and this has 4 cables. You know, when they have 4 cables they give us the air pressure. In this case the air pressure is the turbo outlet and the temperature of that same air, and then we have this other one, which is identical, which is located on top from the intake manifold, also with 4 cables. As I said, it is identical and would give us the air pressure in the intake manifold, in addition to the temperature of that same air. You see that there are models that, as I say, is not usual. But there are some cars, turbo gasoline, that have 2 sensors, 2 MAP sensors, okay? Well, here you have this video. If it has been useful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.